Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, October 11th, 2022. It's 6:27 in the morning. It's a busy day today, and I'll explain more of that later, but right now I'm going to do the bike. So it is just 7 o'clock now. This is what the bike is looking like. This is what the rings are looking like. And now we can move on to our very busy day. Hey everybody, good official morning and happy Tuesday, October 11th. Today's kind of a crazy day because we've had some contractors at the house already because something's wrong with the kitchen floor, and this is like the third time they've tried to fix it, but they're just gonna replace it because I don't think it's fixable, or that's what they said. They don't think it's like fixable anymore, so they're gonna replace that. And then recently my dad got a carport slash garage thing installed. So when that went in, somehow the line to our electric fence for the dogs and the dog's collar was cut. So that needs to be fixed. And the guy coming for that is coming at, I don't know what time, but he's coming soon, I think. And then, I have one of two wheelchair appointments. The first one today, for the power chair. The person is gonna come and put new batteries in it because they are dead, and they're gonna come and put new batteries in it, and then I should be good to go. And I'm just gonna state this now because it seems that every time I post something about the power chairs, somebody always has a question of like, oh, how come you don't use it more, or how come you don't use it for this or that or whatever. So for me personally, it is not my everyday chair because I am about 4 feet tall, 4 feet and some extra when I'm standing up. And even at the lowest setting they could get it, I still need to use a step stool. I actually use a yoga, not a yoga block, but it's like an aerobics block that my mom got off of Facebook Marketplace a million years ago. It's the same one that I used to get on my bike in the morning. I need that to get in the chair, as well as I need somebody with me because I don't want to fall. I'm 25 years old and I don't fall and get up the same way that I used to. I don't bounce back up like when I was, younger. I used to fall all the time when I was younger. I've had scraped knees, scraped hands, bruises, all that stuff, but I don't bounce back the way that I used to. So, I prefer to have somebody with me, which is fine because I usually always have either my mom or some sort of PCA or help with me. So that's fine. What I'm hoping that this chair is I'm hoping that, if we're watching a movie, I could go into the living room and I can recline in my chair to watch the movie, or if, we go outside to play with my nieces, that, hey, I could go out the door and I could push them in the swing a little easier. Or, if we want to go on a walk, at some trail or park or something, like next year with the Alzheimer's walk, like I could actually participate and, not have to, have anybody else do that. But it's not going to be like my everyday chair, because this is my kitchen, my dining room kitchen table, and this is like my main not workstation, but like this is where I hang out and stuff. And the chair doesn't fit underneath the table. So again, and my house is a ranch house, so it's not like it's an open plan, obviously, but it's very cozy and very small. So I don't need that chair to be my everyday chair. This one works just fine, and I'm a huge proponent, as well as my doctor is, and as well as a lot of people are, to having multiple mobility devices for different days, different scenarios, different, activities, whatever. As I've been thinking, my mobility devices are here to serve me no matter, like, what I'm doing or what, you know what I mean? Like, I'm there to be able to use them no matter what. So, just wanted to clear that out of the air, because I know that somebody's going to write something, which is fine. Hey, I'm all for answering questions, but that's just the way that my life is. And it's not going to work for everyone. It doesn't work for everyone. Yeah, but I'm honestly really excited to get it back working again so I could use it for different activities. But yeah. Good morning and happy Tuesday. Uh-oh, Maddie, wanna go outside? Okay. Hey everybody, it is currently 11:04 and I'm having my emergency drink. And I'm currently working through my DVR, deciding what I want to record and watching some shows. I just watched one episode of Chesapeake Shores and I'm about to turn on a new one. And we have some updates. The electric fence is fixed, and the dogs are now free to roam around the yard again, which is great. And the pink power chair, I should say, because this one is also pink. I got them both pink, but I don't know. Anyway, but this one is out here. My mom put it in the manual mode so we can push it, because like I said, the batteries are dead. And they're supposed to be coming between 11:12 a.m. and 3:12 p.m. That's the window they gave me to fix this and get it going. And then I have to somehow figure out when the PT is going to come for the cushion, because they haven't called me back yet or called me at all, but I'm thinking that this one's going to be done first and then the PT is going to come. I don't know, but either way, I'm going to ask, because like I know it's in my chart or papers or something somewhere, so I know I'm just going to ask. I'm going to be that person and ask, because I'm really like uncomfortable, so I need to figure something out. And then, what else? That's it. Oh, and I got my hair braided too, so all good. So I just finished this one of Chesapeake Shores, and I'm gonna delete it. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. And so, back in my library, recordings. This is what I have left. These are all, so, Mid-Love Crisis, Pumpkin Everything, Girlfriendship, Christmas Next Door, The Secrets of Bella Vista, It Was Always You, and yeah, I don't have a lot. But, it is almost 11, or no, it is, sorry, camera. It is 11:58 right now, and, the window of time for the wheelchair is 11:12 to 3:12. Actually, let me just check that one more time, because I'm never sure. I always say, oh, I look at something, and then I'm never sure. Where's Gmail? Let's go over here. Let's see. Starred. Yes, it's today, the 11th, from 11:12 in the morning to 3:12 in the afternoon. So we're on the tail end of that. So we'll see what time they come. But I'm gonna work through my DVR while I'm waiting, because like I don't want to get involved in something and then, you know, be like, oh, I gotta pause it. At least with this, it's like, oh, they're all the same, you know? So yeah. Hey everybody, it is currently 1:06 p.m. and I'm still waiting for the wheelchair repair guy to come. Actually, I'm just having lunch, or I had my main part of my lunch, but now I'm gonna have a few of these pretzel sticks just to finish them up in the snack drawer that we have. But the funny, well, while we're talking about like disability related things, I saw this thing that I wanted to do with a friend of mine, and it's at like this theater thing. It's actually a play of Elf, that I wanted to see with a friend of mine. And so I was like, oh, cool, we can go, you know. Anyway, so I go to look up tickets, and, you know, I haven't purchased a concert ticket or any type of theater ticket in forever. My last one was supposed to be sometime in 2020, because I'd purchased tickets to see Justin Bieber on February 14th of 2020. And then a couple weeks later, the world shut down because of the pandemic, and then I haven't really been to any sort of big venue or anything like that. So, you know, this was the first time and whatever. And normally with handicap seats, you have to like purchase them on the phone or whatever, blah, blah, blah. So I called to do that, and they're like, oh no, you have to purchase it online. And I was like, okay, that's weird. So I go online and I do that, and I click on it, and it says, oh, they're sold out, or somebody beat you to it or whatever. And I'm like, what is happening with that? Um, and so I try that like 3 times, and I'm like, what is happening? And so then my mom tries it, and it's still happening with her, because sometimes I just like overlook stuff. So like she tried to do it too, and it didn't work. So then we called them back, and the lady was like real surly. She goes, well, they have been on sale for about 6 months now. And I said, really? Because I just saw it on Instagram like last week. You know, whatever. And they're there for like 3 days. It's like there's like a morning, like a 10 a.m. in the morning. There's like a 3 in the anyways, they're there multiple times, right? So she goes, oh, well, clear your browser history. And I did, and it still didn't work. So she was like, oh, we'll go to the box office. And I'm like, okay, well, whatever. But again, I haven't purchased tickets in forever. So is that like a since COVID started thing? Like they don't sell you tickets over the phone? I'm like, that's so weird. Like I used to call Mohegan Sun all the time and order tickets. I've done it to all the Connecticut venues. So I don't understand. But it's just frustrating. I'm like, take my money. I want to purchase something. Like, why wouldn't you let me do that? Anyway, I'm going to eat my pretzel sticks and then put on a movie to work through my DVR. And then hopefully this guy will be here soon, because I have dance class at 5 and I really want to go, but I don't know how long this thing will take. You guys, look, we got green lights. Oh my lord. And there's no cushion on this because I rotate the cushions between both chairs. Oh my goodness, we got green lights. Oh my god. Okay, my mom's gonna take it for a spin first because they fixed the suspension. Don't hit.
Recline a little bit.
Then there's a button to go backwards. There you go.
Because I feel like but that could also be because that's how you like to sit, 90-degree angle.
Yeah. So they also fixed the suspension on it, so hopefully it's not so bouncy.
I'm gonna go out the door.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let's see. I just want to wait for him to leave.
Yeah.
But this is left-handed.
Okay. Well,
No, just say not good for me. I'm excited.
Yeah. Let's see how bouncy it is, because that was one of my issues.
Yeah, I mean, it could still very well be bouncy. I mean, it's not the best transition.
Let's see. That wasn't bad.
No. I mean, you gotta go slow.
Well, yeah.
It's on low. And you have to push yourself back because you're going downhill.
Yeah.
Don't cut the corner. Make sure you go like by the power outlet and then square off to go out the door. And I'm sure it's going to be scary for you to go out, but.
I'm cutting myself short.
What?
I said I was cutting myself short.
What do you mean?
I didn't go all the way square.
Yeah, all right. Well, now you can square.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
It wasn't too bad.
That's much better.
You know, this feels a little steep, so.
No, but I remember.
No, I'm just saying,
I'm
like.
just saying, I remember
you haven't-
going and it was.
Yeah,
like,
it was bouncy.
Yeah.
I gotta pick up this dog chain. So on the way up, I got stuck on the dog chain. How's that?
Nice.
Beauteous, right?
Yeah.
All right, where you going?
Right here.
Okay.
Well, you guys, we have power. Oh my gosh. What?
Don't go drown.
No, God, no. No. Oh my God. It's kind of surreal, but it's kind of scary at the same time. So it's, to be honest, it's kind of surreal.
I have the screen open. You can go, help.
Yeah. It's kind of surreal. I haven't used it in forever. And we were talking and he was like, "Oh yeah, just use it like every 3 days or so to to make sure." And then I said, "Yeah, I'll use it tonight." And I said, "Yeah, I'll use it tonight." And I'll use it tonight because I'll get it for my dance class and stuff. I mean, I didn't get into all that, but I said I'll use it tonight. But anyway, it is currently 2:08 p.m. and my class is at 5. But I think I have more than enough footage for today, so I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to read my book for a little while, and then I'm going to go back in, and I'm going to edit, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow, but I hope you enjoy. I'm literally going to call this video Day in the Life of a Disabled Person Managing Equipment Appointments. Because that's literally what I did today. Oh my gosh. Well, anyways, I hope you guys are doing good. And if nobody's told you this today, you're awesome and I appreciate you. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Editing Emily here. I forgot to add something. Is that when the technician was here, they made a note and they said that I do need a cushion for the chair because they put that in there. And then they said that I might have to go to a seating clinic for that, but I was like, I did it at home when they fitted me for the chair. Is there any way that I could do it at home? He goes, well, maybe, just say that that's your preference, and then they'll do it that way. So yeah, that's the only thing.